सुल्तान ऑफ स्पिन और लेजेंड, वो माफी मांग लेता है, तो बाकी मर्द हजरात भी?
एब्सोल्युटली यार, घर में रहना है, सुकून की जिंदगी गुजारनी है, गलती की है तो मांग लो, इट टेक्स अ सेकंड एंड इट्स आप उससे छोटा या बड़ा नहीं हो जाते इंसान।
मैं आपको कह रही हूँ आप सियासत में आ जाए, मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे। अच्छा, हम मुलाकात करा रहे हैं शनीरा की आपसे, और इससे पहले कि शनीरा की मुलाकात कराएं, आपको हम सुनवाएंगे कि शनीरा क्या कहती हैं वसीम अकरम के बारे में। उनसे हमने तन्हाई में कुछ बातें की हैं, तो लेट्स सी, हो सकता है कि वसीम को भी शौक हो, पता नहीं ज़्यादा खुसूसियात बताएंगी कि कम बताएंगी। टेकिंग अ ब्रेक है। वेलकम बैक, आप देख रहे हैं द रेहाम खान शो, और हमारे मेन स्पॉन्सर्स हैं करशी, साथ ही में हमारे साथ तावन किया है ऑल्पर्स ऑफ फीनिक्स बैटरीज ने। हम बात कर रहे थे वसीम अकरम, द लेजेंड, द क्रिकेटर, द हीरो, लेकिन हीरो के पीछे एक कामयाब हीरो के पीछे या कामयाब इंसान के पीछे एक खातून का हाथ कहते हैं होता है। और हमारे पास शनीरा आज आई हैं, शनीरा मिसेस वसीम अकरम, और आई थिंक शनीरा, दिस इज प्रोबेबली द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट you will appear on Pakistani television as a guest. So it's a pleasure to see you here.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
And we want to put you on the spot straight away, as we do in Pakistan, because you're a
I'm
bhabhi.
used to it now.
Yeah, bhabis have to be put on the spot.
We're bhabis.
We're bhabis.
हम bhabhi.
bhabhi one है, bhabhi two.
Yeah.
Yeah. अच्छा, तो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात मुझे शनीरा ने बताई कि जब वो लैंड की पाकिस्तान में, तो सबने उनको भाभी भाभी कहा, तो उन्होंने कहा ये मुझे बारबी बारबी क्यों कह रहे हैं मुझे, that's because you look so pretty, you look like a
told you that story, did
he? He did. Anyway, so we asked Wasim a couple of things, and we just want to cross-check whether it's accurate or not. So if you were to describe Wasim in 3 words, how would you describe him?
3 words. Now you're really putting me on the spot. I'd say he's honest to me, very honest, and I really think that's a big quality in a man. Reliable. If he says he's going to do something, he's
a good quality in a cricketer.
Yeah, all-rounder. Yeah, you know, if he says he's going to do something, he will do it. So I think that's really important. And funny. He makes me laugh all the time.
Okie dokes. So what was the quality that pulled you towards him? What was the one thing that you thought, this is what's making me say yes?
Well, when he asked me, I think I definitely saw his energy. I saw a future with him, and I think he saw a future with me, and together it was just, there was a lot of chemistry, and I think then when you're choosing a partner for life, that's really important. And with him, it was just natural.
So he seems to think that there were so many qualities and very few flaws in him that pulled him to you.
Can you tell me?
No, he said that because my qualities were so much more than my flaws, and that's what sort of, you know, that's why she said yes. Well, clearly, if you're exactly the same, that means you have all the qualities also. So it's a compliment to you. Okay, so when you have a fight, how does he, I mean, does he have a short fuse?
Did you ask him the same question?
I did ask him.
Have you got his notes there?
I have, indeed. You want to share?
So what is it you want to know?
You want Dhanli?
What is it you want to tell the country when we fight?
No, I want honesty.
Honestly?
Yes.
I think because both of us had lives previous to when we came together, so we're used to dealing with things in our own way. If you're a young couple, you sort of grow together and you have these certain little habits that you might get upset with, and when you're starting to live with someone, it can be difficult. How are you going? Good?
That's fine, yeah, keep going, keep going.
I think with Wasim and I, we're a lot older, so we moved our lives together, and when you have these little things that don't mean anything anymore, so we don't necessarily, you know, really have a go at each other or punish each other for the little things. We sort of wait till the big things come across.
So who apologizes first? Is he quick to
I
apologize?
think that's me, actually.
Is it? Okay.
He will say probably him. It depends on who is wrong. We really... If I'm wrong, I'll say.
But is it
I'm
difficult
sorry.
to get him to apologise?
He's great, actually. He's such an understanding person. He really is. We very rarely fight.
So he doesn't sort of say, I'm Wasim Akram's celebrity, I'm not apologising.
He does play that card a little.
Does he? Okay. He thought he was pretty down to earth, you see.
No, he's really good. He is. That's honestly, and honest the truth.
Right. What about when going out? Because you obviously, you look really nice and you like to get dressed up and all. Does he compliment? Does he pay attention? Or does he, could he tell what you were wearing yesterday?
Well, that happens before we go out, because I've got a trick. If you come out of the bathroom or you come out of the dressing room and you're dressed, and he just says, okay, come on, let's go. You're going back into that dressing room, changing.
Oh,
but if you get a stop and say, come on, we're going now, you've done well.
Actually, so that's quite a desi method, because you don't wait for a compliment.
No,
so,
you just they hold that stare. Desi men, Pakistani men, you're all amazing, but you reserve your comments sometimes. And so you need to understand the eyes and the persona of a person.
So you're quite understanding, huh?
I think
so यानी कि ख़वातीन के लिए भी एडवाइस है, वसीम भाई ने हमें एडवाइस दे के गए हैं, लेकिन ख़वातीन के लिए, बीवियों के लिए भी एडवाइस है कि ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स का इंतजार ना करें. अगर मुड़ के देख लिया इसका मतलब है कि आप अच्छे लग रहे हैं, और अगर नहीं देखा तो फिर दोबारा जाके तैयार हो. That's what Shanira is saying. What about shopping? Is he a patient shopper? Does he carry your bags around, or does he kind of let's get on with it?
We both hate shopping. We're
Really?
Not. We go to it with destination shoppers. So if he wants to go buy golf attire, we both go. We both know what we want to get, what he should get, or what
So
I
you're serious shoppers?
Yeah, we
you don't
bang,
dilly-dally.
bang, bang, and then we're lunch.
Okay. So how patient is he when you're trying on dresses and sort of saying,
I don't.
Do I look big
I'm
in this,
very
honey?
smart that way. I take a girlfriend rather than my husband.
So you don't take Wasim?
But no, he is very romantic, Mr. Akram, actually. He, when it's a special occasion, he'll say, come on, let's go, and we'll go to, in whatever, city we're in, and we'll go to the mall or check out the shops there, and it's usually, do you like that? He'll see me eyeing off something, and usually then the sales girl is wrapping it up for me.
So he's attentive, is he?
Not all the time, but this is on on a special occasion when we are together. He's quite romantic, actually.
Right, okay. Because he told us a little secret for when he's pretending to be attentive, which we won't divulge.
Can you tell me? We're going to have a chat.
I don't want to cause a little
told you.
domestic.
Yeah.
He said he uses his iPhone and his iPad to just listen to music and just go. He just nods.
Oh, really?
Randomly.
He does? Yeah, okay. So, all right. At least
Well,
we
let's
know
put
that.
him on the spot, shall we? Shall we bring him back? Because जो हमें बातें मिली बहुत अच्छी हैं, यानी कि दोनों एक दूसरे का पर्दा रख रहे हैं, लेकिन दोनों बड़ी अच्छी बातें कर रहे हैं, एडवाइस काफ़ी मिली है, लेकिन माशाल्लाह दे मेक अ वंडरफुल कपल. वसीम भाई को ज़रा बुलाएं, ज़रा दो हाथ करते हैं उनके साथ. Let's get Wasim back into the studio. वेलकम बैक. आप देख रहे हैं दिलहाम खान शो, और हमारे साथ तावन किया है करशी ने, साथ ही में तावन किया है ऑल्पर्स और फिनिक्स बैटरीज ने. वसीम अकरम साहब हमारे आज गेस्ट थे, साथ उनकी वाइफ शनीरा अकरम, और बड़े मज़े मज़े की बातें हुई हैं.
What did she say?
What did she say? वसीम आप तो हमें कुछ और कह रहे थे, उन्होंने तो मुझे कुछ और लिखवाया है.
What?
कोई समझ नहीं आ रही है. मैं आपकी बात पे यकीन करूँ कि उनकी बात पे यकीन करूँ. अच्छा, 3 अल्फाज हमने पूछा शनीरा से कि डिस्क्राइब करें, तो लविंग तो उन्होंने नहीं कहा,
Okay.
केयरिंग भी नहीं कहा उन्होंने, लेकिन
sleeping on
गुड
the roof
थिंग इज
tonight.
यू स्टेइंग हियर, हाँ,
Yeah.
आई एम स्टेइंग इन इस्लामाबाद. लेकिन अच्छी बात ये कि उन्होंने मैडनेस भी नहीं कही.
नहीं कही. So what did she
उन्होंने
say?
तो बड़ी अच्छी बातें की. उन्होंने कहा हमेशा मुझसे सच बोलते हैं.
Yeah, I do.
फिर उन्होंने कहा कि रिलायबल है, जिसमें मुझे बड़ा मुश्किल से यकीन आया.
People change, by the way.
अच्छा, ओके. Well, I have hope then.
Yeah.
Okay. फिर उन्होंने कहा कि बड़े फनी हैं.
Yeah.
तो वसीम अकरम साहब, हमने तो कभी फनीनेस आपकी नहीं देखी.
Yeah,
ये सर बेगम के साथ फनीनेस.
No, I'm okay actually. I make people laugh, my friends, when I'm there in the middle of everything.
You are.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
Yeah, all the jokes
So
and
you
all.
make a woman smile and then you
You've
made
done
it, है ना?
Yeah, absolutely.
He won my heart from humor.
making you
Yeah,
smile.
I knew what to say.
What did you do? What did you do? Fall over or something?
I think he fell over.
That's a good
He
one.
makes the kids laugh as well, and even if he doesn't mean to be funny, he sometimes just.
I know.
You
know,
I
I-
like that, yeah.
My kids are grown up now, Akbar and Temur, so I make things up. Like I used to call it Snoopy Dog. I know it's Snoop Dog.
अच्छा अच्छा.
They used to
अच्छा,
laugh
you
at
play
me.
the goofy dad.
Yeah. And then he used to say, I'm going out to paint the town the red. I know it's paint the town red.
अच्छा.
So he used to laugh at me. You're so wrong.
आपका ट्विटर हैंडल भी कोई दा वसीम अकरम जी तो नहीं है?
नहीं, वसीम अकरम लाइव है.
अच्छा, फिर हमने पूछा कि जी क्या क्वालिटीज थी, तो आपने तो कहा कि मेरी तो क्वालिटीज इतनी ज़्यादा थी, फ्लॉज कम हैं. उन्होंने कहा कि एक्चुअली हम बहुत एक जैसे हैं, वी वेरी सिमिलर.
We are. got a same sense of humor.
बेगम डराई हुई है मेरा ख्याल है कि ये क्या क्या आना है ना जाबराना पाकिस्तानी हस्बैंड है ना कि
Well, listen to me, woman.
नहीं
No,
very
you're fine.
very good.
You're
No, he's
fine.
saying कि he's like you know
Yeah.
he's got it made. He's got a good woman in the house. अच्छा फिर हमने पूछा जनाब शॉपिंग का
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम तो both of us hate shopping.
Yeah, we do. I mean, we hate shopping. We don't.
अच्छा,
She's
बाप
not a
बेगम आ
great
गई है तो
shopper.
अपनी story
No,
बदल
no.
देंगे।
If she goes for shopping, if she wants to, I follow you with my iPod on, don't I?
Yeah, you do. If we got to go get some.
She said you are a very attentive husband. तो अगर उनको कोई चीज पसंद आ जाती है
Yeah.
अगर हल्की सी उनकी नजर पड़ती है तो आप दूसरी तरफ से इशारा करते हैं कि पैक कराओ बेगम मेरी को
Yeah, learn, guys. Exactly. Yeah, absolutely. You gotta be.
I wish my husband watched TV. अगर
You don't have to watch TV to learn that. I think it's
I
just
can't say
either within you, either it's not.
यानी कि मैं बस उम्मीद ही छोड़
Yep.
दूं। मैं ना ही समझा
Absolutely.
अच्छा वो कहते हैं कि मुझे कहने लगी कि आपने कहा कि मैं तो बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हस्बैंड हूँ
Yeah.
मैं तो देखता हूँ 2-3 जोड़े तक मैं देख
Yeah,
लेता हूँ
yeah.
उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं जी ऐसी कोई बात नहीं
I
है
do.
रिवायती हस्बैंड है तो अगर बस मुस्कुरा के और यूं दोबारा देख लें तो मैं समझती हूँ कि अच्छा मैं ठीक
No, when she changes, so she asks me how this look. I said looks good. She comes back the second one,
कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स में बहुत कंजूस
and then she says, how does this look?
She said
and I
कंजूसी
said
करते हैं।
better. Then she comes the third time,
That's not true. Don't listen to him.
and how is this? By the time my attention span is so
Pakistani
low,
husbands, you know
I say okay, babe, whatever, love.
If he doesn't give me कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स देते ही नहीं है बस मैं इस बात पे खुश हो
I
जाती
do
हूँ
give her
बहुत सब
compliments.
देसी बेगम है जो कहती हैं कि मैं इसी पे खुश हूँ कि देख लेते हैं और कहते हैं चलो
Yeah.
यानी मेरे लिए यही
I
कॉम्प्लीमेंट
do give you compliments all the time.
Yeah,
I
to
want to
other
live in that
people.
house, remember?
I'm the one you need to
She said something very interesting. सुबह शनीरा भाभी ने हमें बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताई. What were you saying about पाकिस्तानी husbands के सामने मुंह पे तारीफ नहीं करते, but they'll go and.
Was this today at lunch?
Yeah, this morning.
And then we agreed?
Yes, we agreed.
No, I've noticed that men, Pakistanis tend to, Pakistani men tend to compliment their wives a lot behind their backs.
In their absence.
And yeah, and then, and not, I don't know too much the face. I mean, he does say nice things.
Shy.
Yeah, I think I
does say
have to get
lovely
into
things.
Urdu. The कहते हैं ना तारीफ हो जो पीछे हो. You know that, of course.
लेकिन बेगमात वैसे पसंद करते हैं कि कभी-कभी मुंह पे भी तारीफ कर
Yeah,
दिया
I
करें.
do all
Some
the
of my
time.
friends can say to
I
me,
wake up in the
he
morning and the first thing is you look beautiful. What else?
अच्छा,
and then he laughs, and I know he's lying.
Yeah, because he has some tactics. You see, he's told the husband, Pakistani husband, some like really good tactics. वो iPad वाला iPod. अच्छा, she said कि ये actually गलत कह रहे हैं. Shopping के वक्त I headphones नहीं पहन के पीछे फिरते. जब हम लड़ रहे होते हैं, तब headphones लगा लेते हैं.
The best thing.
The best thing.
That is the best
Don't
thing.
listen to these two.
No, but instead of
Want to stay
arguing,
married?
On your side.
instead of arguing, it's better to give some time to yourself and to your wife, and come back at it after 20 minutes, half an hour, maybe 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah, so you comes back after 6 months, and you
I
say
won't be
something-
there. No.
अच्छा हाँ धमकी आ गई है. अच्छा, so he wants to live in Pakistan. He's been categorically stated on the show that Pakistan is my home. I ain't moving anywhere. So I said to him that Australia is your susral, right?
No, I think we're here. We're staying here.
That's what she thinks. She knows that Pakistan is in my heart, and I want to live here, and I belong here.
We can visit Australia whenever. They love us. They love him. My daughter's half Australian. My 2 sons think that they're Australian because they've been there so many times now. But this is home. And this will be home, and that's what I signed up for. And the country's been amazing to me, and everyone's been beautiful, and I do love it here.
और लड़ने वड़ने के लिए मुझे शनीरा भाभी ने बताया कि कुछ चॉइस वर्ड्स भी सीख लिए हैं इन्होंने पंजाबी के, है ना?
Yep.
हाँ, यानी कुट खाना सिखाया हुआ है.
Yeah, और उल्टात.
अच्छा उल्टा आदमी.
Yeah, I just make fun of her.
अच्छा वसीम ये बताएं, क्योंकि अब भाभी भी साथ हैं, जिंदगी का सबसे यादगार लम्हा, your most memorable moment.
You know, बड़े लम्हात आए हैं जिंदगी में. क्रिकेट की बात पूछते हैं. In cricket, obviously, this is a World Cup '92. That's was the ultimate, still is the ultimate for me. If I have to pick one moment in cricket, that's Melbourne 1992, when Pakistan lifted the cup and a captain lifted the cup. And I think I have 3 moments: 2 boys and a little baby girl.
And we have a fan. और फैंस तो बहुत थे।
Absolutely.
लाइक आई सेड मोस्ट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स विल नॉट स्पीक टू मी, लेकिन एक बच्चा है जो कि ए लेवल्स कर रहा है और
जी।
उसके अभी एग्जाम्स खत्म हुए हैं और वो भागते दौड़ते हुए फौरन पहुंचे, हमने लास्ट मिनट पे उनको बताया।
Okay.
और वो क्रिकेट खेलने से भी शौक रखते हैं।
Excellent.
So शहरियार इज हियर, इज एन ए लेवल स्टूडेंट। आ जाए शहरियार,
Hey,
आपकी मुलाकात
शहरियार।
कराते हैं आपके हीरो से। वसीम भाई भी हैं और शनीरा भाभी भी हैं।
Hi,
This is
Mita, how are
your
you?
lucky day.
Pleasure meeting you. I love the smile you have. Keep it up. Keep this passion. Yeah? Yeah, okay.
And of course, because Wasim Bhai is famous for his smile. ये शनीरा भाभी की तरफ से Lenovo पाकिस्तान की जाने से एक छोटा सा तोहफा जो भाभी आपको देंगे। It's a gift for शहरिया। Thank you. So ये हमारी डिस्कशन और कॉन्वर्सेशन रही। मसला ये है कि मैं सुबह से गप लगा रही हूँ वसीम से और शनीरा से, एंड जनरली स्पीकिंग बहुत से लोगों के बारे में आप सुनते हो और आप सोचते हो कि शायद रियल लाइफ में आप देखें तो आपको डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, मायूसी ना हो। और आज जब मेरी इनसे मुलाकात हुई तो वो जो मेरा आइडिया था वो हकीकत में बदल गया, बिकॉज जैसे ये दिखते हैं वैसे ही असलियत में, हकीकत में भी वैसे ही हैं। ट्रूली एन इंस्पायरिंग हीरो, और माशाल्लाह आप शनीरा की वजह से एक नया, मेरा ख्याल है ज़िंदगी में इनका एक नया चैप्टर शुरू हुआ है, और ये भी वैसा ही खूबसूरत, वैसा ही ग्लोरियस होगा जैसे इनकी हमेशा इनिंग्स रही हैं। आपकी जो फीडबैक हो आप हमें ट्विटर पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं और हमारे फेसबुक पेज पे भी। जहाँ रहें, ट्राई टू बी लाइक आवर हीरोज। अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़। क्या मसला क्या है, तुम कॉन्स्टेंटली मुझे इशारे करते हो टू लीव माई हेयर अलोन।
उसको यहाँ पहले कुछ लोग कहते हैं सकीना, कुछ शनायरा, कुछ समीना, किसी को नाम ही नहीं आ रहा इसका यार।